Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing power and documenting the device. That prevents mid-fix shutdowns and compatibility mistakes. Once charged to 50% or more, remove the straps and place the watch on a soft cloth so you don't scratch the glass. Then perform a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10-15 seconds until the screen blinks. This clears temporary firmware glitches. Make sure to note the model and firmware, so later steps use the correct files and procedures. Once the watch is open, you inspect the battery connector and ribbon cables because loose flexes are a common failure point. Reconnect gently if needed. If you see corrosion, clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. Let it dry completely. Meanwhile, prepare firmware flashing on your PC. Install the correct USB drivers for Aolon models and place the official firmware in a known folder. Then put the watch into download mode by holding the designated key combo so the PC recognizes it for flash. You now flash the firmware using the official tool. Choose the exact file for your model and verify settings. An incorrect file can brick the watch. Start the process and watch for success messages, then disconnect and reassemble carefully. Reseat all ribbons and screws. Power on and run a full system test. Touchscreen, Bluetooth, sensors, and battery drain. If the device still fails to boot, make sure to try a clean reinstall, reseat connectors again, or test with a known good battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.